This is the moment. This is the absolute vibe of fall this year. Hey y'all, so I'm back at it again today with another unboxing. I might have a little problem. I'm really excited to show you guys what I got, so let's get into it. As you can tell by the title, I am unboxing the newest color of the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. I'm really excited, but I'm kind of nervous, and here's why. The box size, so here's the box. This is my other Marc Jacobs tote bag that I got for my birthday. It's in the blue color. Here's the box, and here is the bag size. They clearly squished this bag into the box, so I'm kind of nervous about these handles because they don't fold over at all. So we'll see if there's any like wrinkling on the bag when we get in there. So a little story time while I pop this box open. I kind of manifested this bag to happen, and I know that sounds crazy, but I was talking to my partner at the end of summer, and I said, I love this tote bag that you got me for my birthday. It's the perfect color. I'm in love with it. But for fall, when fall clothes roll around, I really want a dark maroon colored tote bag. And we had kind of joked about it. The last colorways that had come out were like really bright, and so I could tell that they were experimenting with new colors, so I wasn't sure what their fall drop was going to be, if they would have one at all. I had been frequently checking to see if they had any new color drops over the last few weeks, and when I saw this, it was immediate. How do I get it for a good deal? Where do I order it from? And I was able to get my hands on it fairly quickly. Ordered this from Neiman Marcus. It doesn't come in the fun yellow box. It would appear, obviously. So there's the packaging. Okay, it doesn't look too squished. Alright, so here's the bag. It's the right size. I was worried that because of the size of the box, I had accidentally ordered the wrong size. And it looks like it comes in the manufacturing wrapping, which we all appreciate. Well, I know I do. Alright. Very excited to see this color. Oh, yes. This is exactly the color I was hoping for. Let me just take it all in. It is a little squished. I'll say the box was too small, Neiman Marcus. Y'all should know better. Let me get some of this wrapping off, and I'm gonna digest a little. Alright, so here it is in its unwrapped glory. This color, I'm looking off into my viewfinder a little bit to see if it's picking up right, and it is. It is an absolutely gorgeous dark maroon color with a slightly lighter red embossing for the name of the bag, which I know is a very controversial design. I don't have any feelings either way. I just love this bag for its shape, its size, what you can fit, and it's just the perfect bag type for me. So for those that are unfamiliar with this style bag, maybe this is the color that you were really waiting for, I'll do a little bit of a walkthrough on this size. This is the small Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the cherry leather color. It has gold hardware, and it is a zipper top. The lining of the bag is kind of a light camel color. It's leather. I think on the interior it's kind of hard to tell. It does have one pocket here in the back, and then a credit card slip down there. It will also come with the dust cover, and it will also come with a crossbody strap. This is the gold hardware with the cherry red leather, if you can see that there. Really nice crossbody strap. I do have a tendency to hold my bags just by the top handle, or I will park it. But occasionally, kind of depending on where I'm carrying the bag, I might throw it crossbody. It's a little less obvious, you know, just based on how comfortable I feel where I'm at. This bag is fairly large, even though it's sold as a small. So there is one size below this, and then a few sizes above I'm not as familiar with. Again, I have it in the blue color, which I love, but this maroon is like, this is the moment. This is the absolute vibe of fall this year, and I'm like manifesting that we're gonna get a lot of really nice fall weather here in the Pacific Northwest. We'll see. I'm really excited about this bag and putting it to use, and I'm also so excited for fall to start. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you found it informative, if that's what you were here for. If you don't know, my name is Brandon. I'm fairly new to YouTube, at least coming back to YouTube after a long stint, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite things with you guys. So if you're interested in fashion, accessorizing, bags, maybe some vlogs, make sure to click the subscribe button, like, and give me some feedback on these videos. I would really appreciate it. It has been a number of years since I was on YouTube. You can find me on all of the websites at BVPDX. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.